wonderful the mind of a child is?
Allison, can you explain what internet is?
I still love technology.
And we are calling it iPhone.
Hey guys, Mr. Ogden here. Today you're going to do Google Draw Part 2, which is a reflection of your family poster. So what you're going to do first is watch this tutorial video, which will be posted right here. And once you're done watching the video, you'll go open and you'll open up your assignment. But in this video, I need to show you how to find your poster first. So you're going to scroll back down to our other assignment, which is right here, Google Draw Part 1, and you're going to open it up. And you're going to open up your assignment. Once you have your Google Draw Part 1, your family poster open, you need to save it. So you're going to save it to the computer by pressing File, Download As, JPEG, JPEG. It will save to your computer. You go back to Google Classroom and go back to Google Draw Part 2, open up the assignment, click on this document which will have your name on it, Google Draw Part 2. You're going to end up writing 200 words about your family, anything you want to write about, including food, siblings, cousins, aunts, uncles, traditions, religion, all these things here. So before you write about it, you're going to insert your picture from your computer that you just saved. So you're going to go Insert Image, and you're going to go choose to upload image, and I'll go to your computer. You need to find on your computer where you saved it. And upload it. Once you're done uploading it, you can hit enter a few times and begin writing. So here's the key about your assignment. You need to write 200 words or more. How do you know you have 200 words? You're going to go Tools. You're going to click on Tools and then hit Word Count. So right now there's 36 words on the document. Those are the ones that I've written right here for the directions. So when you're done, your word count needs to say 236 words, because these words don't count. These are just the directions. So down here in paragraph form, you're going to type 200 words total about your family poster. You can tell me stories, anything you would like. When you're done, you go back to Google Classroom and press Turn In. If you have any questions, let me know.